Hello, welcome to my channel and join my journey to a founded trader. My name is Sabrina. I use price action to trade SP500 Emini futures. I'm currently trading my evaluation account at Apex Trader Funding. This is my 23rd day, and my account size is 150K, and my profit target is $9,000. So, just a quick review of my profit today. So today I took 10 trades and made a profit of $700. So that make my accumulated net profit to $7,367. So I'm about 1,600 to my profit target. So let me just start this video by reviewing today's hourly chart. So this is the hourly chart, and from March 30, we've been in a we've been in a bear channel, and we have reached this area. It's about a 50% pullback from our uptrend. And last night around 43.84, we saw a big bull trend up. So this morning when we came in, we saw this big bull bar here. This is a big bull bar. Okay, and it's not a very good buy signal. Why? Because it's right at where we sell off here. So it's around 44.60. I want to see if this bull bar will continue up, will break this midline of this channel and continue up to reach the other side of the channel. So when I came in, I first saw that we are trending up, but then we have from 850 we have continued bear bar down, and around 9:30, that's here, we're at 44.35 and we just keep trending up. Okay, but here at this high of the day, we have a bear bar and consecutive bear bar. So that means this breakout of the high almost failed. Okay, so I just use this red arrow to mark a possible bear entry here, because this bar, once it was a very bearish bar. Someone bought at the bottom of this bar, but when this bar ended, it still ended as a bear bar, and it's an outside bar. It went up and down, and the next bar is a bear bar, and it broke the low of this bar. So this is my first sell signal bar here, but I did not enter any trades because my buyers was long at this time, because this was a big great bull bar here. So I'm looking for entry to enter my long trades. I just saw this coming down. If we just draw bearish trend line here, you can see the price has been contained in the bearish trend line very well. So this was the first broke of the trend line. Okay, this is a trading range, but as we can see, around 44.57, if that was almost like this, the high of yesterday. This was a resistance level, and seems price cannot go above this red line. So these two bar break out of the low, And this is a pullback, very small very small bear bars. So I mark my the second bearish entry here. Now we are at the double bottom at 44.44. So we've been trading around this price for several days, and this price has been a very significant price. So for me, when I see the price broke this level and pull back and create a new high, my thinking was that the price has broken has break out of this price level, and this is a pullback. So I plan to buy here, so I bought my first contract here. But the market reversed on me, so I went out of my trade here. So my first trade was a losing trade. So the market kept trending down, but we can see there are some people buying here, and we are near the open, the low of the open. This is a good bull bar, bear bar, but with big tails. We're basically in a trading range. Another bear bar broke the open price, the open low, but tail. So I bought two contract here, and this is a great breakout bar. But with a bear bar, followed by a bear bar. So I put my stop loss one tick below this, and I got stop out here. If this breakout was to be succeed, then we just will not go below this bar. So I got stop out. This might be a sign for the later market development. So I'm looking at this price. It just keep trending down, but this was the high. This is the first buy, second buy, third buy. And the third buy, the price never go below the third buy, and this was the second entry long. So this should be a good buy signal bar here. So buy above this small bar, and I did not enter here. So I entered here, I saw this bar broke above this high, and when it pull back, I enter two contract here, and I just scalp. I scalp out of my position right here. So I watched the price went up, and my psychology was I miss all these trades here, so I want to enter the market. But then I kind of see this big bearish bar. It is lower than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 bars ahead of it. So all of a sudden, if you do not have a stop loss here, somewhere here, you're going to be um, in a losing trade just by one bar. So this is a good bullish bar, someone buying here, but it was followed by a bear bar, another bear bar, three bear bar, fourth bear bar, another bull bar trying to go above here, followed by a bear bar, second bear bar. So I entered right here. The price went up and down, so I just scalp. So it seems like we're having another strong resistance level here around 44.50. And I'm looking at this 5-minute chart. It seems like this was yesterday's open. 44.50 was yesterday's open price. So yesterday's open price is acting as a resistance level here. So continued consecutive bear bars, three bull bars, but with big tails and overlapping bodies. I did not enter because I see this resistance right here. So big bear bar went down, trying to broke this low. It broke this low. It went down. I was watching this price go down, and I sold one contract here actually, because I was drawing this channel and I see there is a midline here. So my thinking was that the price will drop immediately. It broke this midline and it will drop down. So my midline was here, and this was my trend channel line. So I was drawing a smaller channel as I had here, this green channel. This green channel, I draw this green channel later as a bigger pattern. So before I had a small channel, so I'm thinking that the price is breaking the middle line. So I sold one contract here, but the price reversed up. So I put my profit target here. I scalp out, and the price instantly reverse up. Very big bull bar, consecutive bull bar, but with a bear bar, another bear bar, another bear bar, three bear bar. Just reverse all this price. So I sold one here. So my theory was that because we have a trading range, we had a higher high and a lower low. And now from the lower low, we did not go above the higher high. Instead, we sell off right at 68% pullback here. So that's 61.8% pullback right here. So my thinking is the market will at least go a little bit further down. I sold one contract here, and the market went down, down, down. So we kind of enter a trading range here. I'm thinking the market might try to reverse up from here because I was connecting the low of the open and the low of at around 1050, and then I see that we are right at this line here, and it seems we're trying to go up so that we can form a wedge pattern. So I got out of my position here, and because of this big buying pressure here, I bought one contract here, but instantly the market reversed, so I just sold it. Okay, the market went down. I can kind of scalp one contract here. So yeah, my theory was that the market will try to go up so that we'll have a wedge pattern, and then we'll resume the bull trend. After this trade, I went for lunch, and when I came back, it was like this. It was like this, and we're creating a higher high here. I did not notice there is a lower low. I only see there's a higher high. So my theory was it will be a wedge, so I'm just thinking to buy. So I bought one contract here. I just got out right here, and the market went up to my original short entry price and instantly reversed down. So that was around 36. And after that, I watched the market went down and didn't notice it was like a I don't know what kind of pattern was that. It's a tomahawk, or what kind of pattern was that? It's a megaphone pattern, yeah. And I'm thinking that this low probably can hold. So I prepare my buy order here and went down. I bought one contract here. And the market instantly reversed on me, and you can see even um, even this one can be used as an entry bar. The entry never triggered. The price never go above this bar, so I should be waiting for this bar to close and put a stop buy order right here, but I did not. So, but luckily I got out of my position quickly. Um, and now I'm looking at these EMAs. I see that the short-term EMA is below the long-term EMA, and it's trending down. So I feel very lucky to stop my loss here. Then I just watched the market went down, and there's no way for me to enter. There's not much second entry here. Yeah, and because it's getting close to my buy zone, that's around 43.70. So I'm thinking to buy. Oh, you can see my comment here. Thank goodness. I went out. So this was the first. This was 6 bull bar here. Very strong buy, but it never give you any chance to buy later. So this was the second bull bar. I mean the first bull bar here. It's very long. It's a 1 minute. This 1 minute bar was like 7 points. So probably someone taking profit here. So this was a good buy signal. I mean, it's very hard to buy in a bear trend, and I know I shouldn't do that, but I just can't resist the urge to buy in a in a bear trend, which sucks because if you take the trade with the trend, you're gonna have a much better time. So, but here it's actually confirmed by the RSI. The RSI is below the average RSI. The blue RSI is a bit up above the yellow RSI, and we are at and because we have this big bull bar and new high, first first buy, second buy. So I just entered the market here and scalp out like 1.5 ticks. Okay, I was just this was the second according to our previous theory, second buy, a high to buy. So first buy, second buy, and this is a low high. So we're thinking that this, if you can buy above this one, you probably can create another high. But see, this second entry never trigger. The second entry long never trigger, and instead it failed. So this was a failed second entry long, and I just basically watched the market go up, went down, and another counter trend trade here, scalping just 1 or 2 points. Okay, so that's all for today's trade. It seems like we have some buying here, but it was too late. It's after 3:30. I don't take any trades. I don't like any surprise. So it seems like it's trying to break this middle line of this channel and might try to go up. Okay, so but I'm not taking any trades today. Hope you had a great day. It's really confusing for the first half day